Hello, I'm Nushan Jamuddin, the Ambassador of Canada. The committee is UNESCO. Now I'm going to speak about reducing digital divide. The century is based on digital technology. It is 21st century which is called digital technology. Using digital technology is inevitable, and I have got an opportunity to share my ideas with you through the internet. But I am pretty sure that this message had not received to whole people because of some burdens. Which is the problem we have to talk? This is the problem between the people who are not here today and me myself, which is called digital divide. A world without technology seems very difficult to imagine, but our ancient people used to live without technology. That time it is possible to live without technology because there were no class differences and there was no bias to use technological devices to some people. The development of digital technology is good, but it does not get full achievement until each and every people receive the service. When the rural and remote place get the digital technology uninterruptedly, it can call as an achievement. Various government initiatives are currently being implemented to reduce the digital divide in Canada, including plans aimed at providing all Canadians with affordable high-speed internet packages, increasing the amount of free public Wi-Fi available, and the improvement of digital literacy among students in public. A country's potential for economic growth is hindered, making it even more challenging to compete in our global economy. This is the reality and this is our challenge. It is needed to talk that the uses of digital technology due to coronavirus is unavoidable today. It is sure that the world is available through digital technology, though we are suffering from corona. But I highly worried about the people who do not the internet facility. I'm sorry for the people who are living under the trap of poverty without any technological facilities to make their survival alternatively. So that this problem deserves solutions. The government should mention about the poor people. The income of the people who are under poverty should be bestowed more facilities to exist conveniently in this particular era. And digital literacy should be bestowed to them without any payment. Make an opportunity to buy the digital devices without unfair price to the poor people. And at last, the government should mention the civilians who do not have the power to get digital technology. When the half of the civilians do not improve their living standard, the country cannot achieve the real success. Whether the hands have money or not, it is important to hold hands to lift up our country. Thank you.